Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got my very first beauty subscription box unboxing for September and it is Lookfantastic. If you're new to Lookfantastic, then carry on watching. I'll just give you a bit of a lowdown, but if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside, then you'll find a timestamp down below in my comments, so you're free to flick forward. This video is kindly sponsored by Lookfantastic and they've given me a code to share with you which will entitle you to receive £3 off your first box, and that is Diaryofabeautygeek. The cost of the monthly subscription is £15, or if you take out a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription, you can have it at a reduced cost. Say for instance you take out a 12-month subscription, then you're able to get it for £12 a month. Inside you'll find 6 beauty treats ranging from everything beauty related: skincare, hair care, makeup, perfume, body care, and sometimes we get the odd freebie as well, and we get limited edition beauty boxes. Each box has a minimum value of £50. Sometimes the value goes up to about £100 odd. If you're interested in this beauty box for yourself, I don't know what's inside. I haven't had a look yet. I've literally just opened the box and came straight up here to film an unboxing for you. But if it's a really good one, we'll wait until the 1st of September, as that is when you're able to subscribe to the beauty box. But you will find link to it down below in my description, as well as the code that I just mentioned and all my other discount codes and offers to other websites and any giveaways I've got currently running. So you're welcome to take a look down there. If there's anything I've missed out, then please ask away. So let's get on to opening up the September box. Now inside there will be a QR code, and when you scan that, that will give you more information about the products in the box, plus it sometimes gives you a sneak peek of what's coming the following month. But now, because I'm filming this just before the 1st of September, I'll have a look. Anyway, that's the QR code. Information might not come up. No, it doesn't. But as soon as the QR code works and it lets me know what the sneak peek for the October box will be, then I'll add it in my timestamp down below in the comments. So yeah, so there's that. Okay. Ooh, it's all muddled up, isn't it? I'll go with our sneak peek from last month, and it is an amazing mascara. I blimmin' love this. This is by Benefit, and this is Fan Fest. It's fanning and volumizing mascara. This is a little mini one. It's black, and it's so good. This is, I think this is one of their newest releases. It came out about a year or so ago. I think so. I love it. I also love the Bad Girl Bang, and the wands couldn't be more different from each other, but they both work so well on my lashes. This is such a good one. I'm really happy with this. It's got a mascara by Benefit. There, we got an Esper body lotion. This is Bergamot and Jasmine, and there's 75 mils here. Esper is a gorgeous brand. It smells obviously as a spa, as you'd imagine, and I've received this a few times in different beauty boxes, and it just leaves my skin nice and soft. I just have to put some on my... Whoa! It always puts too much. I always put too much. This is a beautifully light body lotion to moisturize, nourish and soften, infused with luxurious blend of pure essential oils including bergamot and jasmine to leave the skin delicately fragranced and beautifully soft. See, I've put quite a bit on there now. I'll just have to blend it in to my other hand as well. I love the scent. It's so nice. Got nice soft smelling hands there. Esper body lotion. There, we've got something for your hair. This is from Umberto Gianni, and this is Scalp Scrub, exfoliating scalp treatment with coconut oil and vitamin E. The naturally exfoliating ingredients remove excess oils to restore and clear scalp for dry, sensitive scalps. That's 50 mils there. You apply to wet hair, pre-shampoo, massage gently into scalp, leave for 5 to 10 minutes, follow with Scalp Restore shampoo and conditioner. Have we got that? We have got something. No, I just want to see what it looks like. I know I've just put the body lotion on my hand, but just wanted to show you. Look, it's got bits in it. It looks like mint ice cream. I can't tell a difference now because I got the body lotion on there. I don't think it has a scent. So we've got an exfoliating scalp treatment. Then we got the Nuco. This is a skin filter serum with phytoretinol. It's 10 mils and it's to brighten and even the skin. So it's a little one. There's no information on the back of it, but I've just had a look online. The key benefits of the serum: it's plant-based retinol alternative suitable for all skin types, even sensitive. It contains bakuchiol and rambutan extract to smooth, refine and brighten the skin. AHAs gently exfoliate for a radiant complexion. Hyaluronic acid hydrates and plumps the skin, and it's free from harsh chemicals and irritants. So 30 mils retails for £65. This is 10 mils. So what's that, about £20 odd worth of serum there. So yeah, so there's that. Then we've got a makeup product, and this is by Delilah. This is a lip line long wear retractable pencil in shade Pout. Just twist it up like that. Okay, let's try my other hand. On top of the body lotion. There, that's the colour. So a nice sort of neutral shade there. It's got a retractable lip liner from Delilah. And lastly, we have got Peter Thomas Roth, and this is a firm peeling gel. It visibly exfoliates by rolling, lifting and sweeping away impurities. And there's 15 mils there. Gently massage in a circular motion to visibly exfoliate. Rinse well with water. Information on the Lookfantastic website. The powerful formula harnesses a trifecta of multi-action enzymes. So you've got pineapple, pomegranate and keratinase, which activate when massaged into the skin to effectively dissolve dull debris and dead skin cells that clog pores and cause dryness. Roll and lift into the skin to visibly see the results, promoting an instantly brighter and revitalised looking complexion. 100 mils retails for £47. This is 15 mils, so it's a little mini one there. We've got a peeling gel. And there you go, those are all the products inside the September Lookfantastic beauty box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. So we've got the Fan Fest mascara from Benefit. We've got the Esper body lotion with jasmine and bergamot. We've got Umberto Gianni, it's a scalp scrub for your hair, for your scalp I should say. Peter Thomas Roth, a peeling firm gel. The Nuco Skin Filter Serum. And lastly, a lip liner by Delilah in shade Pout. As always, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Are you excited to receive your box if you are a subscriber, or are you a non-subscriber watching thinking, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.